Hi, this is Carrie with GS Marketing Group. Welcome to the YourCompanyAnniversary.com YouTube channel. Your Company Anniversary is more than a day to celebrate. This milestone provides an entire year of opportunities to engage your customers, clients, prospects, partners, and employees. Together you will reflect on past accomplishments and reaffirm your commitment to the future. On this channel, you'll learn how to make the most of your company anniversary. You'll find ideas for developing a comprehensive milestone marketing program. Discover how to motivate employees, connect with customers, impact your community, craft your message, and spread the word. We also describe an example of a timeline for the anniversary planning process. In addition, you'll learn how GS Marketing Group can help you prepare for your company anniversary by producing customized company anniversary materials. We offer 3 marketing packages at YourCompanyAnniversary.com for different needs and budgets. We also list a variety of add-ons to further enhance your program. If you find the information here helpful, please subscribe to the channel. As a subscriber, you will be notified when we release new material that pertains to your company anniversary. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you.